Day one of our amazing trip. We start with Erding to Warth and Tom giving us a brief.
Surprised that there is a second one in the same color. That's the last day when we come back. We are going through Munich. But today we avoid Munich, we go around Munich and we are taking small streets before we enter the highway. Okay? So we take it really easy. We are going out, turning right, and then we...
And so we begin. So this is the start of our Alpine tour. It's going to be an 8-day tour, travelling around Austria, Italy, Switzerland and Germany. And we're about to pull away. So throughout this video you're going to see a few different landscapes. In the next couple of days we will go up into the Alps and even the Stavio Pass. So please stay tuned to watch all the videos. Click like, subscribe, you know what to do. Anyway, I'll give you some commentary throughout, but please just enjoy the nice and amazing roads. Yay, we're going. Thank you. Really can't say enough how awesome these roads were. It was such a pleasure to not have potholes, broken concrete. They were just such a treat to ride. As you can see, we had a lake running alongside us for most of the journey. We're riding towards the Alps here and heading towards King Ludwig II's palace, where I have got a few pictures to share later. So enjoy. Thank you. We're lining up now, ready to go into the palace. We stop for a little bit of lunch, well, a quick hot dog and a coffee, and have a look around the fountain and the gardens. Okay, so we've just stopped off now for King Ludwig's castle, and next we're on our way through the Alps to the hotel. Behind you can see all the bikes. There's the R13 which I'm travelling on, and that's it for the moment. Beautiful scenery, and thank you. Bye. As we're riding now, we've actually planned to change the route and go to the famous castle from Munich, also known as the Disney Castle. I don't know the name, which I will try to put up on top of the photo later, so I will find that out for you. But yeah, enjoy the ride. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. Thank you. Brilliant! We've arrived at Disney. Well, no, not exactly. That is the castle which is linked to the Disney castle. So if you look in the screen now, we're just pulling into the town. Very quick stop, just a few pictures, and then back on to the hotel. There we go, U-turn. We're just coming to the end of today's riding. We then join up for an amazing meal and such a wonderful hotel. Here is the view from the room. As you can see, real nice, perfect view. And we're going to start a new day tomorrow.